Zhuhai, baby. Zhuhai, baby. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. It's Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Always more to see, always more places to go. Let's see what's down the street. Let's wander and meander. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. Is Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Walking all around and checking it all out. Checking out all Zhuhai street by street.
So we're in Tangjia Village. There's some really beautiful artwork, all kinds of cool stuff everywhere in here. Yeah. And we're kind of in the middle of it. We're gonna there's some music that might affect the video, so it's really beautiful down that way. But I'm gonna stick to this way, avoid the music a little bit, and then we're going to put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And I'm gonna be going down Tangjia Village, trying to find some little alleys and stuff like that. So we might even explore little stuff like this along the way and try to give you an idea. So that's where we're gonna start at. So let me put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. Okay, so let me walk over here first. I could explore up in these little alleys. There's some beautiful artwork here, some nice restaurants, stuff like that. I think I am gonna go up a little bit, just kind of see. Just trying to see what all they have in these areas. I think this is kind of woodwork. Okay, looks like there's some apartments up there. So it kind of changes into small little spaces into bigger spaces. What I'm kind of doing is I'm walking down, I think it's called Fangshan Road, and we're just kind of looking to see kind of interesting stuff to film and capture. And I'm looking for more side roads, but this one is really nice. Cafe. There's some nice artwork on that wall down there, but the music is too loud. There's a nice little garden in there, but there's stuff to go in every direction, so I'm gonna go down this direction. If I saw a street sign, I could label it accordingly, and then that would be the focus. But as it is, I'm just kind of roaming around Tangjia, going up and down these side streets a little bit. Okay, there's actually people up here, so I think I'm gonna meander down more. Here's some nice artwork in here, like that one. And this one too. It's really amazing. Chinese opera. There's even those are these like mirror reflections to ward off the evil spirits. I hear some music here. Huh. I think it's in here. So I think that this ends right there, so I'm not going to go any further. But these are kind of cool. Look. Kind of curious what that was. Okay. So I guess there's a little bit of a Chinese opera here. Mask. Yeah, so going up these side alleys is kind of interesting. So that's the street that we're on. The alley that we're on. Okay. So we're gonna meander down a little bit more, see what else we can see. There's another temple. Okay. Huh. So there's more of the kind of opera. I think that's actually a Tangjia. It's more temple here too. Okay. Looking for side streets to go down is what I'm doing. Lemon tea. Let's see. Just gonna walk down that way. Okay. It's interesting down there because I can see another of those old walls. So this was Tangjia Hengqin Village. Amsterdam. Okay. Like a little courtyard. Let's kind of see what's. Okay. There's a sign that says Zhuhai. Oh, this is German. They have German beer there. These are more of these little side streets that I've been wanting to explore a little bit. It's kind of inviting because when they put the signs up, you kind of know that it's okay to walk around. There's a little courtyard in there. Okay. So I guess we're going to call this one Tangjia Alleys. And we're just going to walk up here and see what's up here. And then here's another one of these walls. I don't know if I talked about in this video earlier or another one. But in Macau, they also have a lot of these. And I saw some other signs that date this village back quite a ways. But I saw something that was like 1600s, but it might even be older. But these walls, actually the one I saw was like a little thing with walls, and it had a date like 1600 something. And studying the one in Macau, they have like, it's made of like oyster shells and other kind of organic stuff. Wow, okay. Okay, so I just went up to there, and then we're just gonna come back out. And I'm just going to call this one, I guess, Tangjia alleys. I don't know what the name of these particular alleys, but they did kind of meander in more. I just don't want to get too far away from the main road because I want to focus on side streets from the main Shanfang Lu road. So we're back out at that main road again. There's that German place again. Let me see if I can. Oh, he's gonna park right. So it's kind of interesting. Has German beer here. The prices are really good too. So 20 yuan. It's about like $2.50. Okay. That one looks really interesting as well. Like this space up in here, like that looks like a kind of an interesting little space to like eat or drink or whatever. Okay. So let me see. Let me just kind of capture this alley. And there's more alleys down this way. It looks like these are all little residential spaces. I'm gonna come to an ending in a minute, but it looks like it kind of meanders more into that. I'm gonna be looking for a nice clear alley to capture. But anyways, we'll just call this like the alleys of Tangjia. So we was able to get into a few of them. There's more down there, down that way too. Let's go down this one. Oops. Music Cafe. That one says since 1847. Anyways, there's just too much to so you can meander into these ways. Huh. Anyways, there's like so much cool stuff everywhere in here. Anyways, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna find an ending spot for this particular video. That'll be the ending spot.